Hi there, in this video I'm going to talk about app shortcuts, feature introduced by Android 7.1.1 upgrade for Nougat. Initially this was launched as part of the Pixel phone software, but then it's now made available to all Nexus phones. When I say all, it's basically Nexus 5X, Nexus 6P through the 7.1.1 upgrade. I'm sure you've heard of a feature called 3D Touch or Force Touch on the Apple phones, the 6S, 6S Plus, I think. They initially introduced that with those phones. It's basically you apply pressure on the screen to bring up additional shortcuts on your home screen on the Apple phones. So Apple required new hardware to do that. So it's not compatible with older phones with the older hardware. But the way Google has done it is much cleverer. We don't need any additional hardware with Google. In Android, it just works by long pressing the app icon. Yeah, and it's a feature of Android 7 now. So long press any of the app icons, as you can see from here, and it'll bring up additional shortcuts. So for example, long clicking on the Google Play Store brings up My Apps as a shortcut. I'm sure most of us go to My Apps to see what updates we've got. So press that, let me do that, and it takes you to your updates. Similarly, for example, you can press on YouTube and go to trending directly, or click on Drive and go to search. So it's a clever way of doing things. It quickens your access to certain features. For example, you can long press on Maps and go to Navigate to Work, for example. These app shortcuts can be accessed from your home screen, as in like that, or from the app drawer, as in like that, or from within folders, for example, like that. And there's one clever trick nobody seems to be talking about, is you can move these app shortcuts onto the home screen and save them as their own icon. For example, let's say there's My Apps icon there, My Apps shortcut. You can just hold it and drag it and save it on its own as a shortcut. So next time you don't have to long press and go to the shortcuts. You can directly go and click on the saved shortcut and it'll take you to the right screen. Similarly, another useful example is, for example, you want to start a countdown timer or a timer. Long press, start stopwatch, save that, and next time you don't have to repeat this long press and selecting the shortcut exercise. You just simply press on this shortcut and it automatically starts your timer.